These high-end bakery-style blueberry cream cheese muffins are decadent, moist, and my all-time favorite muffins. Let's make them. Let's make the streusel topping first. You'll need some flour, light brown sugar, mix that well, and then add melted unsalted butter. Mix well until it's nice and crumbly and you can no longer see the flour like this. For the cream cheese filling, you'll need softened cream cheese, granulated sugar, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Mix well and make sure the cream cheese is very soft, otherwise it'll be hard to mix and it'll turn out lumpy. For the muffin batter, go ahead and mix the eggs and sugar until it's a pale yellow color. That should take about 1 minute. Then add vegetable oil, sour cream, mix well. Then add the flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix until well combined, but don't overmix. And of course, the complete recipe will be over on my blog. Add half tablespoon of flour to the blueberries, mix them gently, and then fold them into the batter gently. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop the muffin batter into each muffin liner, filling each 3/4 of the way. Top each muffin with 1 tablespoon of the cream cheese mixture. Sprinkle the muffins evenly with the streusel topping. Add more blueberries on top if you want. Bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then let these cool for about 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy them.